Good morning, everyone, and I can't believe I'm saying this, but happy first day of YAGP. So scary. Today is the start of YAGP Dallas, and tonight I just have master classes and I start competing tomorrow. But first, we're going to the studio to do class and classical run-throughs. Already young, it's like a dream. Hi vlog, this is the craziest vlog ever. They're closing a theater on Saturday and seniors either have to compete tonight or you're not competing. So all of a sudden we're competing today.
My mom has to go home and get my costumes and it's 45 minutes home, 45 minutes back.
I'm like freaking out, like actually like
scared for no reason. This is a good thing.
I'm being smart. But yeah.
We gotta go early. That's good.
We have 5 hours. My parents are bringing me my
5
costumes.
hours is a lot to prepare, to mentally prepare yourself.
Yeah. I need it, but I need food. And I need to take a nap. And
See, you'll eat, you'll calm down, you'll get prepared, physically and mentally.
Okay guys, we've decided this is a good thing. We're supposed to be in master classes right now. And now all of a sudden we're competing.
Plus we get to skip master class.
Yeah. But it's a good thing. Because we're not going to go on stage until like 10 o'clock tonight. We have time to eat, digest, stretch. Like, we have so much time. Yes. This would be the craziest vlog ever. Anyways, this is the craziest thing that's ever happened to me at a competition.
I think I'm gonna puke, throw up, and cry all at the same time.
And I'm hungry.
My dinner just got here. I have kale salad from Chick-fil-A with grilled chicken. It's my go-to Chick-fil-A meal. And they gave us 2 free sodas. She doesn't like soda. And then Jacqueline's sewing her shoes because she was going to do that tonight. But now that we're competing tonight, she has to sew them now. And Joseph is playing Clash Royale, per usual. We both did our makeup. So did Joseph. Joseph, show us your makeup. There you go. And yeah, we're kind of just waiting around.
Crazy right now, but my mom's going to Starbucks and she's gonna bring us some coffee. So wake us up.
We're like all tired.
Yeah.
I feel like the stress just made me tired.
Yeah, like I'm not really stressed anymore, but now I'm thinking like, oh, imagine I fall out of my turns, like. But
at
fine.
least if we do bad, we have an excuse.
Yeah, like I'm so tired.
My excuse is I found out I was competing today.
Yeah, same.
And
Maeve is just an angel for coming and watching us stay. I don't even know. Maybe you should go home and get some rest.
Oh, we found out like our actual order of like when we're going on. So we know we're doing classical first and then contemporary. And we know that our open stage is around like 10:15ish. And it's supposed to run until 11:45. I'll update you guys.
Yes, and keep it in front of you. Good.
Backstage.
my second one. Now I had 8 numbers in between, so I had to change quick. I have about 2 numbers until I did bodice glove. My first one went pretty well. I did a triple on it on, so I was super happy about that. My relevants were a little bit shaky. I felt like my staging was off. My teacher said it was okay, like it wasn't noticeable. So I think I'm happy with how it went. Now I just gotta get in the zone. Also, these are my costumes. I'm in contemporary now. It's 11:30 at night. Our muscles are... And what are you eating?
Is that cheese steak?
Is that dried mango? Is that Miss Cat's? Oh, I want some. I got dried mango from Miss Cat. One last thing. It's currently 11:28. How are you feeling? I have 3 numbers. Feeling good. How are you feeling? 4 numbers. How are you feeling?
Huh?
How are you feeling?
Is this vlog actually gonna make it to the channel?
Yeah.
This vlog's too crazy to not make it to the channel.
275, Amelia Hafen, The Call.
Just finished my contemporary. It went super good. Jacqueline's going right now, and then Joseph is right after her because we're all back to back to back.
Can you take a picture of me?
Yeah, you're gonna do something? You guys, I did it. It's 12:12. I'm done and I have to go home and shower, and then tomorrow we were supposed to have like a rehearsal at the studio at 9, but since we were here so late and we all got thrown into performances, Miss Cat was just like, my teacher was just like, we're not doing that anymore, like meet at the theater at 11, sleep in. So yeah, that's the plan. I'm pretty happy with how everything went. My muscles are tired, but it's okay. This could have gone better, but I'm happy. Good morning, you guys. Happy day 2 of YAGP. Today, all I have is my ensemble, and then I'm going to stay and watch Friends afterwards for as late as possible because the snowstorm that's coming is supposed to hit tonight, so I can't be there too late because then maybe there's the chance of not being able to drive home. But yes, and then awards. Today's the last day of YAGP because the theater's closed tomorrow now, so awards are going to be live streamed tonight. Tonight? That's what we have today. I'm going to theater. It's like 10 a.m. and I'm going to warm up with my group. Also, it's an ice storm, not a snowstorm. And then, okay, fit check. I have my RubiaWear romper and like strap on. And I have the RubiaWear label on mine. And my RubiaWear alpaca socks. Do you have RubiaWear on?
Yeah. Okay, RubiaWear and yeah.
Vlog! A million thoughts. We're back.
We're back.
We did warm up. We're about to run it. What time is our open stage at?
120.
It's 12:10 right now, and our open stage is at 1:20, so we have over an hour to like run it and get in costume.
We're in costume now. And we're all wearing our rollers. Our open stage is in 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Let's go.
Don't be too poppy on that.
Finished group. We don't know how good it went.
I tripped.
Like we all had like a little something. My dress got caught on my foot at one point.
Which part?
It wasn't a big deal, but I don't know. It was.
Decision.
Yeah, we switched to barefoot last minute, and
Well, I
we're
think
supposed
it
to be
was
wearing
good. I think
socks.
we didn't practice enough there.
Yeah.
I agree.
Keep the money flipping, it's all I know. Been in and out of prison for a while, I know.
Guys, we're all done, and we're going to watch Junior Contemporary, and then we have a break, so we're going to go get food, and then we're going to come back and watch Junior Classical, and we're going to change into our tutus and take photos, because yesterday we did not get a chance to take photos.
Yeah, because we were really running with our, like a chicken with our head cut off. Like, it was so bad.
Yeah.
But it was really good at the
So
same
we're
time.
getting our photos today, and look, they're on open stage.
There's Miss Cat right there.
Yes, Miss Cat.
And then there's Betsy's in white.
Where's Betsy? Betsy's right there.
And then Quinn is...
Quinn is
Right
right there
there.
with the mask.
Yes, Quinn. I love her costume.
I know. I'm going to explain what's going on with open stage because I feel like you guys don't know what this is. So basically, before you'll have like the categories. So you have like junior contemporary and junior classical. And that's the style of dance you do. And before each style, all of the people in your group are going to get an open stage, which is this. So you all go on, you share the stage, you run your solos, you can like try out some stuff from your solos. So you can like get a feel for the floor, get a feel for the stage lights, and like mark out where you're going to be on stage. And so it just gives you a feel. So you get to do it for contemporary, which is what they're doing right now. And then they'll also all go put on their point shoes and tutus, and they'll get another open stage for their classicals. Open stage is really nice, but it can also be really chaotic because you have so many people on stage and say hi, Quinn. Open stage is really nice, but it can also be really chaotic because you have so many people on the stage at once, all trying to do their things, and you can just like run into people, and sometimes it can be really hectic, but that's what open stage is.
I've been torn stateside, kissing my Swedish boy over FaceTime. Oh no, opening up will make me a headline. Boots, that's my ego boost. Schedule ain't been loose for a minute. Yeah, I'm back.
Hi y'all. So I'm home now. I did not really vlog much the second half of the day, like talking to you guys, but I have a lot of fun clips I can put in there. I think awards for YAGP are on Sunday, so I think I'll include that in my vlog and like I'll end it there. But that's the update, and I have nothing tomorrow, so I'm probably going to edit this, and then I'll see you guys on Sunday. And you guys, it's killing me that awards are on Sunday. Like,
I've already had to wait today and I have to wait tomorrow and all of Sunday for the results. Like, patience. I'll see you guys on Sunday, and future Amelia, be proud of yourself because you had great performances. Let's do a little Sunday transition. Wait. Guys, next time you see me, I'll be freaking out. Hi, you guys. Okay, so awards happened this morning randomly. YAGP decided to do a virtual award ceremony for Dallas. So today is actually Monday, and the video got sent out this morning, but YAGP didn't actually mean to send it out. They meant to do it tonight, but we all found out this morning. I was literally in the middle of Target trying on swimsuits because I'm going to Hawaii next week. We were literally like trying on swimsuits, and I got a text with the link, and I was like, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. So my mom and I literally watched awards in the middle of Target in the dressing room section. So I ended up receiving 2nd place in contemporary and top 12 in classical. And honestly, guys, I'm gonna be so real with you. I just feel like there's no point in being fake. Like, I've done better than that before, and so it was like disappointing for me. Like, for me personally, it was just like, it's hard when like you've done better before. I have to remind myself that not every weekend is going to be my weekend, and that my variations had things that could have gone better. I was really happy with the turns in both my performances. I did the triples I was hoping to do, but like I did have some things that were shaky, and I had like a couple missteps. And so I just have to remind myself that like my performances weren't flawless. Another thing to remember is like, that's done, okay? We found it all out. It's just like a checkpoint, and now we just go back into the studio and we keep working, and we take what the judges said and we apply it, and we just keep working every single day, because like that happened, okay, moving on. They're like, now you just work even harder to try and get to your goals, and I'm gonna work really hard at the studio and really hard in the gym, and I'm just going to chase my goals. That being said, I am going to go do another YAGP city. We're undecided on which one yet, but I really want to try and get a finals invite. Thank you guys so much for watching my vlogs. Like, I love doing YouTube, and your guys' support means the world to me. And thank you for following along on this super hectic YAGP weekend. It's definitely one I will never forget. It was so much fun, honestly, and like, it gave me some really great memories. Yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!